Hello and welcome to the second installment of what was done last week for Noble Rule. First thing we have to update you on is the beginnings of an economy. So now these numbers actually represent your treasury, your food supply, and your current population. So to get a deeper look into the numbers, we can click on your different courtiers. So for example, the Chancellor, he is in control of your taxes, and these numbers will reflect what your treasury is going to be next turn. Your Master Merchant is going to give you a report on your food supply. How much is being consumed, which is tied to population, how much is in your granary cap. Any food that remains in excess next turn will be spoiled, eliminated. And then your food production, how much is going to be produced, which is again tied to your population and the current season. So if we end the turn, we're going to see that there have been changes to the numbers, and that's going to continue to go on as you go through the turns. Now the other thing that I worked on was the petition. So it's gotten a little bit more complex. Now you can actually make different decisions. So when you click on when you want to deal with something like deal with the giant personally, you can click on accept, and then you will end the turn, and you'll have the petition report, which is the outcome of what your choice was. And this is going to be based on your stats and different things. So it'll give you a summary of what happened and the effects of what happened in your court. So you can click OK, and now let's look at what happens if we do nothing about the same petition. So click accept, next turn, and you've seen, now you have a different story about the giant rampaging across your city. You can see that there have been different effects. These are mostly negative, as now there's a giant rampaging through your land. And of course the different courtiers can give you different things that you can do. Alright, well thank you very much for your attention, and that concludes this week's report.